Alright, what's up, geometry? So we're gonna begin with our first video, and it's on transformations, specifically translations. Alright, so when you talk about translations, you usually want to look out for some sort of rule. In this case, the rule is written out for you. The rule is either going to be written out using symbols, just like this, or it might be written out in words. Alright, it really depends on the problem. In this case, it's written out in symbols. Alright, now what does this mean? What this rule is saying is that whatever x and y coordinate you are given, you're going to take the x value and add 3 to it, and you're going to take the y value and subtract -2 from it. Alright, so in order to apply this rule, we need to find a coordinate, right? You should be given a coordinate in the problem, either a coordinate that's in some sort of shape, in some sort of graph, or a coordinate that's just written out. In this case, it's a coordinate on a graph. Alright, it's not part of a shape. And so what we want to do, let's call this a coordinate A, or point A, right? In order to find the point A prime, we need to identify what this coordinate is, right? What coordinate A is. So I'm going to start from the origin, and I'm going to label this coordinate. I go 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3, and I go 4 units up, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this point has the x coordinate of 3 and the y coordinate of 4. Alright, perfect. So once you establish what your coordinate is, there are two ways to go about this problem. You can directly substitute the x value and the y value into this rule. Alright, so let me show you how that works. Right, I substitute the x is equal to 3, and I substitute the y is equal to 4. And so the coordinate 3, 3, 4 becomes, right, this arrow is telling us that this coordinate is going to change into the coordinate 3 plus 3, right? I'm just substituting the x value here. Right? 3 plus 3, and the y coordinate is 4 minus 2. Alright. So I just have to simplify our new coordinate here, or a new point here. 3 plus 3 is 6, and 4 minus 2 is 2. So our new coordinate is 6, 2. Now let's say you are not comfortable with the algebra here, right? You don't want to subtract or substitute whatever. You want to stick to the graph. That's okay. You can stick to the graph. Just know that the positive 3 for the x value, right? This is a positive 3. This is a positive 3 that's being added to the x value, and the x value talks about left or right movement. So if it's a positive 3 that's being added to the x, you know that you should be moving to the right 3 units. So starting from point A, I'm going to move right 3 units. Sorry for the overlap there. Okay. Same thing with the y. Alright, or a similar idea with the y. You know that the y coordinate, the y-axis, moves up or down. So if it's a -2 or a -2 that's attached to the y, you know that you will be going down 2 units. So this is my new point A prime. Now all I have to do is identify where this point is on the coordinate plane. So I just go from the origin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units to the right, and 2 units up. So either way, I will get the same answer for A prime. Alright?